the moments before planting, the first days of spring at the Major Family Farm, and see the oldest existing generation discussing what will go in the ground with the next. No idea they're being filmed. Calcium is just all oyster shells and stuff. So we do a little bit of tilling. They do a little bit of tilling, but it's a few inches deep, and feed in a lot of organic material while they're doing it. So they do lots of supplemental stuff to make sure that the populations are at their right numbers. Not too many fighting you for nitrogen, and not too few to where you have none. watching, and if you're enjoying this, don't forget that on the Quest for Details homepage, if you click on the videos, then it will take you to all of the videos that I've posted in the past. They're all still there saved, and there's quite a few of them, and they grow every day.